On one of our previous videos, we briefly touched on the subject of Taboola campaign delivery issues, where we mentioned that when you block Taboola sites too aggressively, your Taboola campaigns will struggle to get traffic. While this is still true, it is important to note that this is not the only reason why our Taboola campaigns may struggle with traffic delivery. In fact, over the years, Taboola has mastered the open web ad delivery, providing the optimal balance for both publishers and advertisers. And here's what I mean. Years ago, when landing on a Taboola publisher site, you could easily see identical ads from different advertisers under the same page or under the same ad block, making the whole web experience pretty weird. Readers weren't happy, publishers even less, and ultimately it felt like landing on a spam site or the website or app was really buggy. To overcome this, native ad networks like Taboola started building up item diversity blockers, which practically improved the whole experience. Once this got implemented, you would see less often multiple identical ads under the same ad block, or at best, identical or similar ads are shown far apart from each other on an infinite scroll ad block. This change took into consideration not just the image or media file, but the headline as well. This way, the reader won't land on the page that reads "The average cost to rent a private jet for seniors may surprise you" using 10 different images. To make these changes even more efficient, Taboola had implemented additional blockers at additional levels of their network or ad account that will prevent a bad user experience on the web, as well as an unfair competition between advertisers. Here's a few known blockers that advertisers often deal with. Item diversity blockers, which is the one we just talked about. The algorithm needs to see a higher ad diversity to gain delivery. In short, you should upload more ads with different images, videos, or headlines. Auction blockers. This is pretty self-explanatory. It means that your bids are not competitive enough. However, I personally think that this considers the daily budget as well, beyond the bid, because sometimes people enter the auction with really low budgets, making it impossible for the algorithm to decide when to reward and how much to reward to a specific publisher, especially if the competition is really tough. In other cases, advertisers that don't have a properly compliant advertorial or landing page may even lose the chance of entering the auction for a premium site just because there is a small compliance issue that is not permitting them to enter. Now, I won't go over all possible Taboola blockers, but I would very highly recommend reviewing your campaign deliverability with your account manager. They have access to their internal blind spot tool, which will help you better understand what is keeping you from scaling your campaigns properly. To make things even easier, especially when you need to add new ads to satisfy item diversity blockers on your campaigns, you can leverage the Optimizer ad uploader. It will give you the flexibility of uploading tens or hundreds of ads in one go, and on top of it, you can add automatic optimization rules that optimize your campaigns much faster and more efficient than what Taboola rules do. It's like running 35% ROI instead of struggling with 15 to 20% ROI. On the other hand, if it's taking hours of days to fix your uncompliant advertorials, I would highly recommend moving your landing pages to lenderlab.io. It helps you create, edit, host, and publish landing pages in one place. Plus, it comes with a well-trained AI page builder, which helps you create very optimized landing pages and advertorials with a simple prompt. And plus, on top of it, it has a visual page editor, which will make it super easy for you to make quick adjustments to your copy and visuals so your pages are totally compliant with Taboola rules. Give it a try now. I'll leave the links in the description below. And if you have questions, just drop me an email at lossit@theoptimizer.io.